Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So my apologies that we didn't get the video out last night like we usually do. We had some audio problems with the camera and the location we were shooting at, so we had to go to a new location and redo this.
And it was really windy.
It was very, very windy. That was the problem.
Right.
As you can tell, Joanne's here, but she's behind the camera. She's being my executive producer today.
I'm always your executive producer.
As we mentioned in the last few episodes, we will be releasing a new contest with these Aventon Cinch bikes. And Aventon was so kind to offer these bikes for us to give to you guys. We're very excited about them, so thank you, Aventon.
Absolutely.
So,
tell us about what everybody has to do to get involved.
Well, it's very simple. All you guys have to do is watch our videos, and you're going to see a symbol like this. It's basically a little Aventon cinch with a letter in front of it, or a number, or an image of something. And all you have to do is keep track of whatever that image or letter or number is, and then you have to go to this website. Here's the QR code of the website of the form you have to fill out to enter. Now you can enter the contest as many times as you like per video. So you can enter from each video. There might be 1 or 2 or 3 or maybe more icons up there, or little cinch bikes like this one, showing you what the image or letter or number is. Now in the video there might be multiple images or clues, but you can only fill out 1 entry per video.
So that all of the clues have to be in the 1 entry.
That's correct for that video.
Okay.
So all you do is, once you see one of these little cinch bikes with a letter, number, or image on it, you just grab that, write it down somewhere, or remember it, and you go to this website, and here's the QR code to go to that website, and enter what you saw.
Is the QR code always going to be the same?
Yes, the QR code to the entry form will always be the same.
Okay.
And I'll show that in each of the videos to remind you at the end.
Okay.
But in this video, you're seeing it a few times so you guys have an idea where to go.
Okay.
And if you don't want to use the QR code, it is at the bottom, down below here, the link on how to enter into the contest. And at the end, if you can figure out what the clue is, you'll have an opportunity to enter that answer, and you'll get 10 additional entries into the contest. Now, if you are a member of My Bucket List Buddy, you guys get double entry, meaning each time you put an entry from each video, you get 2 entries.
Yippee!
Not just 1, you get 2. And then at the end, if you keep track of all the clues, and instead of getting 10 additional entries, you'll get 20 additional entries.
So it pays to be a buddy.
It pays to be a Bucket List Buddy member. Yes, it does. So you guys get twice the chance of those of you that are not members. So if you're not a member, so just go ahead and click the join button and pick one of the 3 membership levels. So again, members, they get double the entries.
So how long does this contest go for? How many weeks?
It's going to go until October 30th. October 30th is when we will end the contest and draw the winner.
Cool.
So each video, 2 per week on average, you'll have 2 chances per week to enter until October 30th. And that's it. It's that simple. Now remember, before you can enter this contest, you must first be a subscriber. Only subscribers can enter the contest. So we're excited to bring this contest to you guys, and you guys have a chance to win. Now for those of you that don't want to wait for a contest to get some bikes and just want to go ahead and get some bikes, we have the discount code that can get you $100 off your e-bike from Aventon.
That's huge.
Yes, it's a big one. Now, there was a little bit of confusion last week when we talked about this, so let me clarify it. Now, remember, you also have to be a subscriber to get the $100 off your e-bike. So all you have to do is email me at this email address down below here, mybucketlistday@gmail.com. I will send you the discount code. However, again, you must be a subscriber, and there's a time limit on this code. So if you're going to buy a bike in a month, don't ask for the code yet, because they expire in 24 hours.
Ah, okay.
So I'll have to assign it to you, and when you're ready to buy the bike, email me and I'll get you that code. Again, you have to be a subscriber and that code will apply to as many bikes as you buy. So if you're buying 2 or 3 bikes at a time, you get $100 off each bike.
Wow.
So I hope that clarifies. So there's a little bit of questions about this last time we talked about it. Hopefully that answers all of it. So that's it. We hope this clarifies everything. We're excited to bring you this contest, and we wish you all the best of luck.
Good luck. Yeah.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell.
Ring that bell.
And leave all those comments. If you have any questions about anything, you can comment or email us. Thanks for watching, and make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.
Goodbye.